Different methods to control appliances were presented in this channel. One of them was by web service and the other was by PHP programming, which eliminates geographical restrictions. The link of these projects is available in the description and you can check them out. In this video I want to introduce two other control methods. The first one has geographical restrictions, but the second one doesn't. So stay tuned until the end of the video. The first method is to use the Arduino Ethernet Shield, which is placed on the Arduino and communicates with the Arduino through the SPI interface. So in this method we cannot use SPI pins as output or input. Now I put the W550 chip on the Ethernet shield to connect it to the Wi-Fi modem. After searching the IP in the browser, a page written with the help of HTML and CSS will open. This value corresponds to an analog value that we don't care about. By clicking on these two buttons, the devices can be controlled. To improve this project, I suggest you learn the knowledge of web programming from the W3 School website. And also you can display an analog value with the help of a potentiometer. So as you can see, it was very simple. Hello? How are you? Hey old friend, how are you today? Serious? Do you have a greenhouse now? Oh boy, I'm very happy for you. So you want a system to control devices that you can access from anywhere? It's perfect, yes. So how much do you want to spend? Hello? Hey! I decided to make what my friend wants with the SIM800 module because it has no geographical restrictions and is much more efficient. At first I wanted to use NodeMCU module, but then I replaced Arduino. I designed an Android software to control this project. First you need to enter your phone number in the settings section. And then we will return to the main page. By selecting each channel, the color of that channel changes, which is one of the features of remote control devices. The user must know which channel is active. By selecting that channel again, the color will return to the previous state. Alright guys, thank you so much for being with me so far. Sorry for my delays. I was sick. One more thing. If you remember, we had access permission problem in a GPS tracker video. We had it for this video too, but I solved the problem by using these instructions. Thank you again for watching the video and don't forget these. See you soon. Goodbye.